consonant F. The letter F stands for the F sound you hear at the beginning of fire. Two other words that begin with the letter F are fin and fan. This is an uppercase F. This is a lowercase f. This is how to write the uppercase letter F. Straight down, straight across, straight across. This is how to write the lowercase letter F. Circle back a little, then straight down. Go to the dotted line, straight across. It's your turn.